I'm with Rose, and she's in her cervical correction traction. And we've got a strap here that's pulling forward at a slightly up angle. And then she's got 15 pounds on there, and then a strap pulling backwards to recreate the cervical curve there. And you've got 15 pounds on there. How does that feel?
Feels good.
Feels good. Not like the first day of school?
No.
Fantastic, yeah, great. And
We started at 9 or 10 pounds.
yeah, we probably started at 5.
Oh.
And yes, and at 5 it was like, you know, it was pinching. At 5 is barely corrective. It's really not corrective. It's just not enough pull. But you have to take people where they are when they first begin and just tiptoe through the beginning stages. And as the body heals, they can tolerate more. And as they can tolerate more, they heal more. And as they heal more, they tolerate more. And that's how we build these curves back in. Your setup is really good, and that's good. You can stay relaxed in that. Fantastic, just letting it. Now, we always say that traction is a non-muscular event. So we're really trying to stretch through the muscles to get to the ligaments, and the disc is a ligament, and that's what we're actually trying to correct there, the support of the ligaments and the disc of the spine. So as the patient relaxes into it, which looks like you're doing beautifully, is how we actually get the correction. It's fantastic, and that's how we do it, to pull Rose's neck curve back.